Welcome to Foshan Duorui Machinery Co Limited, one of global leader in providing metal tube processing machinery solutions, which located in Nanhai District, Foshan City, with convenient transportation. We are dedicated to offering efficient and innovative tube processing equipment to customers worldwide, committed to assisting international clients in establishing and optimizing their factories with a one-stop solution. Since our company's inception, we have always adhered to the business philosophy of technology leadership and service excellence, continuously researching and introducing advanced international metal tube processing technologies. Our machinery and equipment have won widespread recognition and trust from global customers for their outstanding performance, stability, and reliability. Our technical team possesses extensive industry experience and professional knowledge, capable of providing customized solutions based on the specific needs of our clients. From initial consultation, equipment selection, technical training to after-sales service, we offer comprehensive support to ensure that our customers can quickly and smoothly establish production lines and achieve efficient production. Our equipment covers a range of processing stages, from tube cutting, processing, end forming, bending, welding to surface treatment, meeting the needs of various industries and application scenarios, whether in construction, furniture, automotive, or aerospace. Our equipment provides precise and efficient processing capabilities. By choosing Duorui Machinery, you are not only selecting top-tier metal tube processing machinery, but also a trustworthy partner. We are looking forward to cooperating with you to create a bright future together. Thanks for your attention.